Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to find and edit the clipboard on your iPhone. So first step, open shortcuts and go into the gallery tab just right here, and then go into search and type in adjust clipboard. That's what we need, and then add a shortcut. Then go back to shortcuts tab, and as you can see, you have it just right here. So here you can view, edit, or completely delete the clipboard's contents. So this is a test text, and after editing, tap done. And if a security warning pops up, tap allow. And now when you copy and paste the text in your clipboard, this will automatically change the clipboard. So it's the first test text, and let's do it with the second one. So we copy this text and it will automatically move just right here. So if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more iPhone tips. Thank you for watching.